This is really a historic day for our community because this is probably the beginning of something really great that is people from outside the conservation community taking a look at this region and really understanding that it's a great place that deserves to be protected.
And getting all these people and minds together, to me, is something that's wonderful and long overdue.
It's very exciting to see this gathering today of folks that are interested in this much larger Diablo rangelands where there's several really important, much beloved state parks.
We build something out of nothing. We take this place that very few people know about it, and we make it well known. We make it important, and we get people to fall in love with it.
As a brand new type of ecological regional conservation network is very exciting to me.
And I'm really excited to work with these people and hopefully get more of that biodiversity back out in nature, starting with our blunt-nosed leopard lizards, my little toy here with his little backpack.
It's been very inspiring working with this organization, and I double down on the inspiration today just listening to the voices and the speakers. Their level of passion and commitment to the Diablo Range truly is just a beautiful thing to behold.
We have to get involved, and in many ways, in our conservation efforts, support of land trusts, and also putting pressure on politicians.
Couldn't be more excited. This is great to see so many like-minded folks.
A big crowd. I was very, very excited. And listening to all of the speakers who have the same kind of values that are like-minded as I do, as my friends do, as my community does, it's so refreshing.